This is how you assemble the cutter stand on both the Technic ARC and Sabre. This video shows the assembly of the stand pack, which includes a waste catcher and roll feed bar, but the stand-only model is also available without these features. Fit a caster onto each foot bracket using a 13mm spanner or wrench to tighten it. Then fit a foot assembly into each end of the pedestal base and tighten with the 5mm Allen key. Then repeat with the second pedestal. Note the positions of the holes in the pedestal upright and remove the 2 screws from the other end using the 4mm Allen key. Align the screw holes in the pedestal base with the upright. A small box makes this easier and stops any rolling. Slot the upright into the base, then position the plate and reinsert the 2 screws and washers, then tighten using the 4mm Allen key. Repeat with the second pedestal. Place the crossbar into the slot at the top of the pedestal and fasten with the 2 tube spacer screws using the 4mm Allen key. Repeat with the second pedestal. Remove the 2 screws from the top of the pedestal using the 4mm Allen key and fix the support tray with the arrow pointing to the centre. Repeat with the other pedestal. Equally space the levelling blocks within the pedestals. Lightly tap them into place using a mallet. This next section shows the fitting of the roll feed bar and waste catcher. Fix the support block in each pedestal using the 5mm Allen key. Fit the roll feed bar into the support blocks, then the roll feed brackets. Use the 5mm Allen key to fix a waste catcher bracket to each pedestal. Then hang the waste catcher bag onto the brackets. Loosen all the fixing tray brackets using the 5mm Allen key. And slide them towards the centre of the tray. Place the cutting machine centrally on the stand and slide each support tray bracket to the outside of the tray, then fasten the screws. Check that the top surface of the base plate is flat and adjust the levelling brackets if required. Your cutter stand is now ready to use.